Greetings all. So you received your Kawasaki mirror HVAC kit from the ATV Superstore. Now this is how you install it, and this is what comes with the kit. You will get 2 mirrors, driver's side and passenger side. You're gonna get a metal bracket. This is garbage, you don't need it. Gone. You're gonna get some bolts and some washers. Okay, so this is how it works. This is a rubber washer. This goes on the outside of the unit. Again, on the outside of the Kawasaki Ridge. On the inside, you're going to take a bolt, a washer, and I would personally suggest also getting a fender washer for each side. This is a 3/8 by 2 inch. By doing so, it's going to be much more stable. So again, this will be on the inside of the door trim. Bolt, washer, washer. On the outside is going to be rubber washer and mirror. Simply connect it like this, tighten it up. And they'll mount that way. So any questions, give us a call at 815-321-3888. My name is Thor. I am the owner of the ATV Superstore. Hope this helps you guys out. Have a great day.